I'm just gonna film real quick. We're just gonna talk about this car.
All right.
When did you buy this thing?
So I've had it for a couple years now.
A couple years. So, and then what year is it? 07?
It's 07.
07, and it's $599, right?
$599, F1 transmission. Yeah, so they started making them in 2007.
Hell yeah, nice. So yeah, V12. Thanks for
V12.
gnarly.
Yeah, V12. I think it sounds gnarly because we put some headers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the factory headers usually come 3-to-1, 3-to-1,
yeah,
and connect that way, but we put 6-to-1 headers.
Oh, okay.
Equal length.
So that gives it a different sound too.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Nice, dude.
Opens it up.
Well, thanks for gnarly.
No,
Stoked.
thank you, brother. Thank you. And I can't wait for the work you're going to put into it and just have it looking really nice.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Matte too.
Man, it's matte
not
too,
just gloss.
dude.
I try to get the matte, the exact finish as the bumper. It's barely glossier, just a little bit, but it's really, really close.
No, I like it. Man, it pops.
I tried to match that wrap
Dude,
silver.
I freaking warned on this bad boy. I couldn't even believe I was coming to pick this up.
You finally get to take your baby home.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
And there was a guy when we were leaving. He's literally like in the passenger seat. He's hanging, like he's sitting on the door and he's hanging his phone out the window trying to film the car.
Wow.
We're like, oh shit.
Listen.
Yeah, it's a head turner.
So what I love, and I've said this before, like just the attention to detail on all the pieces that you worked on, right? The carbon, the custom vents over here, like it was just pristine. Like I would have done this a long time ago if I knew you could do it. But even these particular pieces, oh my gosh.
Dude, I love them. I
like
love
it just sets everything apart. Ah, jeez! Ah, stop it! Danny, this carbon work is stupid.
I love, dude. Everything we've done is, I'm happy with it all. Looks good, fits good.
Look at that.
And then these two.
Oh man, these actually fit better than I thought.
They do. They fit really good. And they feel nice too.
Yeah.
Feel solid. Like
wow.
Not like flimsy. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right here, look. Inside here. Hit it.
Man. Man.
So we went and got special clips that fit in there.
Oh, wow.
Properly.
All the way?
Yep. All of it's on there.
Wow. Wow. This is freaking ridiculous. Dude!
And then we got the back one in there too, because this wasn't in last time either.
Okay.
It's all together.
Wow. Man. I got no words, man. I've got no words. Like, this is just, I love this.
It looks clean, I know.